Hello, this is Christian with California Home Inspectors. Today we are conducting a sewer line inspection for Miss Maria in Los Angeles, California. We are accessing the sewer line through a side cast iron cleanout. And the point of this inspection is to assess the overall condition and material of the sewer line. Okay. Now, as you can tell already, we're having issues. There we go. Okay. We're seeing heavy buildup of calcification and corrosion to the cast iron line right here. Okay, and just overall buildup of sewage. Okay, yeah, this is all calcification and corrosion and damage to the line. At some point, we're going to see running water that will hopefully clean out my camera. Okay, yeah, I was afraid of that. Okay, we have the restroom sink running. So I'm hoping to run into that shortly so it could clean off the camera. The only problem is that something's obstructing me right now at 20 feet. Oh, wait, I think I got past it. Keep trying. No. Still nothing. And due to the corrosion and calcification on the line, it's obstructing my view. I'll close it up. Okay, close it. It's hard to see. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and pull back out the camera with so I can wipe down the head of the camera, and hopefully we can come back and see it. Okay, so the severe rust and corrosion is really obstructing the view. I was able to partially clean it up. I'm gonna try again and hopefully we can see what's going on. No, that just made it worse. Let me just pause it. Okay, we're gonna try again. We're hoping that doesn't happen again, so at least I can see what's obstructing and stopping the camera from going without picking up too much. And the goal would be to run into the water that we have running in the dwelling, so that way it can keep the camera clean and we can proceed, or at least see what's going on. Okay, so, oh wait, I see, okay, we're at a Y. So, and that's, okay. And at this Y, it turns into, okay, it turns into another junction, and into this junction we can't see what's going on. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we're going to turn on the more faucets. I'm hoping that I can get some running water in there. Unfortunately, there's no hose around here to shoot with the camera, but I'm hoping that when we turn on the sink, the kitchen sink and the bathtub, and flush the toilet, maybe we can get some running water so that we can see what's obstructing. But yeah, just the sewage keeps blocking the view. Okay, let's give it one more good try. Oh, unfortunately, I keep trying to push through, but something is stopping my camera, and I can't proceed any further. In the event that this happens, we always recommend we have a licensed plumbing company come and assess the overall condition and recommend repairs. In this instance, we're seeing severe calcification and corrosion to the line, so at a minimum, this is going to need severe descaling and hydrojetting to clean out this cast iron material if it doesn't need to be replaced. But it doesn't seem like we can further this inspection due to the fact that it's something's obstructing me. I can't proceed past 21 feet, and I can't see because of the corrosion and calcification, the rust that blocks the camera, or possibly sewage. We can't see it right now. So in summary, we recommend we have a licensed plumbing company come out and provide further assessment and possible repairs and replacement. Thank you very much.